Welcome back to Chilltalk English. Today, we have a useful topic for real life. What to say when a customer is angry and talking a lot.
Yes, maybe you work in a shop, maybe you answer messages online, maybe you work at a cafe. Angry customers can happen anywhere.
And when someone is upset, it can feel like a storm. Your brain goes blank, your voice gets small, or you talk too fast.
Or you smile too much and it looks strange.
I have done that. It is not my best look.
So today, we will give you simple English lines you can use. Short sentences, easy words, clear meaning.
We will keep the same story shape from start to finish. First, calm the feelings, then give bad news, then set a limit if they are rude, then offer choices, then end the loop.
And we will practice like a mini role play. You can copy us. This is great for shadowing practice.
One more thing, you do not need perfect English, you need calm English. Calm plus clear is powerful.
Okay, let's begin.
First section, how to show you understand their feeling.
This is very important. If a person feels ignored, they talk more. They talk louder.
Exactly. When feelings are strong, people are not ready to listen. So we start with a feeling sentence. Not long, not dramatic, just real.
Here are simple lines you can use. Repeat after Henry if you want.
I hear you.
I hear you.
That sounds really stressful.
That sounds really stressful.
I can understand why this is upsetting.
I can understand why this is upsetting.
Thank you for telling me.
Thank you for telling me.
You expected something different. I get it.
You expected something different. I get it.
Notice something. We do not say you are wrong. We do not say calm down.
Yes, please do not say calm down. It's like throwing oil on a fire.
Another tip, choose softer feeling words. For example, upset, stressed, worried, frustrated.
Furious is a strong word. If you say it, it can make the anger bigger.
Let's do a tiny scene. Emma is the customer. I am the worker.
I ordered a jacket. It said arrives Friday. It is Monday. This is ridiculous. I needed it for a trip.
I hear you. You expected it on Friday and now it's late. That's really frustrating.
And nobody told me anything.
Thank you for telling me. Let's look at the order together and see what happened.
See, Henry did not fight. He joined the customer's side. Let's look together.
Right. You and the customer are not enemies. The problem is the enemy.
I love that line. It feels like a team.
Second section. Asking questions without sounding cold.
Because you need facts, but if you sound like a robot, the customer gets angrier.
Try these short questions. Can I check one detail?
Can I check one detail?
What is the order number?
What is the order number?
When did you place the order?
When did you place the order?
What result do you want today?
What result do you want today?
That last one is magic. It moves the talk from anger to a goal.
Yes, because many angry customers want one of three things: a fix, a refund, or a clear answer.
Third section. Giving bad news in a kind, strong way.
This is the hardest part, because no can make people explode.
So we use a three-step pattern.
Step 1, show understanding. Step 2, say the truth clearly. Step 3, give the next step.
Here are sample lines. I understand what you're asking. The answer is no, and I'll explain why.
I understand what you're asking. The answer is no, and I'll explain why.
I wish I could change that, but I can't.
I wish I could change that, but I can't.
Here is what I can do instead.
Here is what I can do instead.
This is the final policy, but you still have options.
This is the final policy, but you still have options. Notice, clear, not mean.
Let's do a scene. This time, it is a hotel.
I want a full refund. The room was noisy.
I'm sorry it was noisy. I understand why you're unhappy. I cannot give a full refund because the booking is non-refundable, but I can offer a room change tonight or a discount on a future stay. Which one is better for you?
That sounds fair. It's not a yes, but it is still help.
And the key is confidence. If you sound unsure, the customer will push harder.
Like a door. If it feels weak, people push. If it feels solid, they stop.
Fourth section. When the customer uses rude words, shouting, or insults.
This is serious. You can be polite and still protect yourself.
You are allowed to set a limit, a boundary.
A boundary is not rude. It is healthy.
Here are simple boundary lines.
I want to help, but I can't while being yelled at.
I want to help, but I can't while being yelled at.
Please speak to me respectfully. If the bad language continues, I will end the call and you can contact us again when you're ready.
Wow, that is clear.
Clear is kind. It protects both sides.
Fifth section. I want your manager.
Ah, yes, the classic line.
Sometimes the customer truly needs a manager, but often they ask because they feel powerless.
Or they think the manager has magic powers.
I wish. Here are lines that keep control without sounding defensive.
I can help you with this. Can you tell me what happened?
I can help you with this. Can you tell me what happened?
Before I transfer you, let me try one step.
Before I transfer you, let me try one step.
If you still want a manager after this, I will request one.
If you still want a manager after this, I will request one.
A manager will ask the same questions, so let's start now.
A manager will ask the same questions, so let's start now.
That last one saves time, and it is true. Let's do a scene with an online store.
I'm done talking. Give me your manager.
I can help you with this. A manager will ask the same details first, so let's start now. What is the email on the account?
Okay, it's emma@email.com.
Great, thank you.
You see, Henry stayed calm and moved forward.
Sixth section, offering choices.
Choices reduce stress. When people can choose, they feel control again.
But do not give 10 choices, give 2 or 3. Simple.
Like option A, option B, option C.
Try these lines. We have 2 ways to fix this.
We have 2 ways to fix this.
Option 1 is faster, option 2 is cheaper.
Option 1 is faster, option 2 is cheaper.
If neither works, tell me and we'll look again.
If neither works, tell me and we'll look again.
Let's do a scene, a phone service problem.
My internet is down again. I can't work.
I hear you. That's stressful. We have 2 ways to fix this. Option 1, we reset your router now. Option 2, we schedule a technician tomorrow. Which do you prefer?
Reset now.
Perfect. Let's do it together.
The tone is helpful, the steps are clear, and it becomes a task, not a fight.
Seventh section. Stopping the endless loop.
The loop is when the customer repeats the same point again and again.
And you repeat the same answer again and again.
It feels like running on a treadmill. You are tired, but you go nowhere.
To stop the loop, you do 2 things.
1, you summarize. 2, you close with a next step.
Here are lines for that. I understand your point. My answer will not change.
I understand your point. My answer will not change.
I've shared all the information I have.
I've shared all the information I have.
At this point, our next step is this, blank.
At this point, our next step is this, blank.
If you'd like, I can send this in writing.
If you'd like, I can send this in writing.
If there is nothing else, I will end the call now.
If there is nothing else, I will end the call now.
Send it in writing is very strong. It makes things feel official.
Yes, and it can calm people down because they feel you are not hiding anything.
Scene time. I will be a customer who wants a refund after the deadline.
I don't care. I want the refund. I always get a refund.
I understand you want a refund. The refund window ended 30 days after purchase, so my answer will not change. At this point, I can offer store credit, or I can help you keep the item and show you how to use it. Which would you like?
So, no refund, but store credit is possible.
Correct.
Henry did not argue. He summarized, then moved to choices, then closed.
8th section. Saying sorry in a safe way.
This is important for English learners. Sorry can mean many things.
Sometimes I'm sorry is empathy. It means I feel bad for you.
It does not always mean it is my fault.
So you can say, I'm sorry this happened.
I'm sorry this happened.
I'm sorry you had this experience.
I'm sorry for the trouble today.
Thank you for your patience.
Thank you for your patience. These lines sound human, not legal, not cold.
Right, but be careful with big promises right after sorry.
Yes, don't say, I promise everything will be perfect. That can create new problems.
9th section. Managing expectations.
This means saying what will happen next and how long it may take.
Many fights happen because people imagine one thing, but reality is different.
So we explain time and limits in simple words.
I will check this now. It may take a few minutes.
I will check this now. It may take a few minutes.
This process usually takes 2 to 3 business days.
This process usually takes 2 to 3 business days.
I will do my best, but I can't promise the result.
I will do my best, but I can't promise the result.
Here is what I can confirm today.
Here is what I can confirm today.
I will update you by email.
I will update you by email. For beginners, business days means Monday to Friday, usually not weekends.
Great point. And confirm means say yes for sure.
Let's do a quick scene, a repair request. My laptop must be fixed today. Today.
I understand it feels urgent. I will do my best, but I can't promise it will be finished today. The normal repair time is 2 to 3 business days. I can confirm we received it, and we will message you when it's ready.
That is clear. Not too many words.
And it prevents a bigger fight tomorrow. 10th section. A simple, calm script you can use from start to finish.
Oh yes, like a ready meal. Open, heat, eat.
Exactly. Here it is. You can copy this structure. I hear you.
I hear you.
Let me check one detail.
Let me check one detail.
Here is what I can do.
Here is what I can do.
Here are your options.
Here are your options.
Which one would you like?
Which one would you like?
If you have no other questions, we are done for now.
If you have no other questions, we are done for now. That is the backbone. You can use it in shops, calls, messages, and emails.
And you can change the words to match your job.
Now, before we end, I want to say something to you if you are a beginner.
Yes.
You may feel small when someone is angry, but you still deserve respect.
Always. Even if your English is simple, simple English can still be strong English.
And if you work with customers, you are doing a hard job.
A very hard job. People bring their stress to you. It is not fair, but it is real.
So remember, slow voice, short sentences, clear options, and strong boundaries.
And practice. Say the lines out loud.
Put them on your phone notes. Use them in real life.
Thanks for listening to Chill Talk English.
If you want more episodes like this, come back next time.
Take care.
Bye.